pork chop tonkatsu. We're gonna start with about a cup of ketchup, a little Worcestershire, a little soy, a little mustard powder, a little granulated garlic. I always have marinade in the fridge, so I'm gonna roll that in. The slaw salad, we are gonna put in some rice wine vinegar, a little sesame oil, fat drizzle of honey, a little shoyu, ginger and garlic. Grate that right down into the bowl. A couple of fat cloves. Savoy cabbage is a little more delicate than white cabbage. And shred it with your knife. Almost like angel hair cabbage. I have some radishes. So I left the dry mustard out because I sprinkled a little into my salad as well. The star, I think, is shiso leaf. Roll it and run the knife through. It pairs well with sesame, so it's gonna be really lovely. So I've got 4 beautiful pork loin chops, about 6 ounces each. So the bumpy side of the meat mallet, right? Yes, you're pounding it out a bit. Salt and pepper, both sides. And then I'm going to build our standard breading station. Flour, egg, breadcrumb. Add a little personality to them. Toasted sesame seeds, which is what I'm adding now. Whisk up our eggs. We have a neutral flavor oil. That means oil you can see through. Shake off your excess. It's essential to be able to process food nearest to the stove. Okay, these guys are looking glorious. So we're gonna pile up our crunchy, beautiful salad. Take my crispy, beautiful chop. Make a river of that righteous, tangy, sweet, salty goodness. And a copious amount of our chives. Is that not adorable?